Peace Planet. My name is Devki. So how many of you have read the list of ingredients printed at the back of your home cleaners? I'm talking about your toilet cleaners, bathroom cleaners, utensil cleaners, and even your detergent liquids. If you have never done this exercise, I would recommend that you do it right now. Most of our daily home cleaners contain a lot of chemicals. No wonder then that they do such a wonderful job at cleaning. Knowingly or unknowingly, we are ingesting all these cleaners as we wipe our surfaces, wash our utensils, or even wash our clothes. So what is the solution to this? The solution is to use natural cleaners which do not contain any of these chemicals and yet are able to do the same job. I know some of you must be thinking, is that even possible? Yes, it's very much possible, and the solution is bioenzyme. What is bioenzyme? This is bioenzyme. Bioenzyme is an all-purpose cleaner which is made by using citrus peels, jaggery and some water. Ingredients which are easily available in all our homes. The proportion is 1:3:10. That is, if you take one portion of jaggery, you're going to take 3 portions of the citrus peels and 10 portions of water. So when I say portion is any unit that you choose. So if I choose grams, it will be 100 grams of jaggery, 300 grams of peels and 1 liter of water. Or if you do not have a kitchen scale, do not worry, you can still measure it by using a small container like this. So this is my portion, so I take the container, this goes in. The next thing is 3 portions of the citrus peels. So I'm going to use the same measure to measure the citrus peels. It's okay if the portions are not completely accurate, your bioenzyme will still get formed. A final measure is water, so we need 10 portions of water. So now this is done and you can store this bioenzyme in a dark spot below your kitchen sink. So you are going to need a plastic container like this in which you are going to prepare bioenzyme. There is a reason why I said plastic container. Do not use glass or any metal container. Bioenzymes tend to release gas. So it's better if you use plastic so that it can expand. Make sure the plastic container you choose is airtight, because we don't want any flies to enter and lay their eggs. Always make sure that there's some free space at the top of your container after you've put everything. How long is it going to take for this bioenzyme to get formed? Usually bioenzyme takes up to 90 days or 3 months to get formed. Every day you will have to just open this lid, keep it open for like a minute, let the gases which get formed inside get released, and then just close the lid and put it back. This is all that you have to do. You need to do this every single day for the first 2 weeks, and after that you will find that the gases formed are much lesser. So you can do it once in 3 to 4 days. What if I want to hasten this process? For that we can use dry yeast, the same yeast which you use to prepare bread. So here I have a few granules of yeast. I am going to add these yeast granules. I just have around 3 or 4. Just close the lid. When you add yeast, the advantage is that the bioenzyme will get formed in just 30 days instead of 90 days. But the process remains the same. You still have to open the lid every single day, at least for the first 2 weeks, so that those gases which get formed are released. So I usually like to start my bioenzyme in batches as and how the citrus peels are available. And as you can see, I have labeled them with the date on which it was started so that I know exactly when this particular bioenzyme would be available. You can see whitish layer which gets formed on top. This top white layer is naturally occurring yeast. You can just stir to dissolve this. So it's been a month since I started this batch of bioenzyme and now it's ready. So let us sieve it to separate the liquid from the peels. This liquid here is the multi-purpose bioenzyme. This remaining pulp is also a useful resource. First, the pulp itself can also be used to remove tough stains. You can use this pulp along with the new peels to start a new batch of bioenzyme. It will hasten the bioenzyme making process and the bioenzyme will be ready in just 30 days. Do you know what's the best thing about this all natural cleaning liquid? The fact that it doesn't have any expiry date. Almost all the chemical cleaners available in the markets come with an expiry date. So you need to dispose them after a particular date. But once you make a bioenzyme, you can store it in any old plastic bottle and use it for as long as you want. Cool, na? Soapnut is the dried fruit of the Rita tree and they release saponin, which is a natural substitute to normal detergents. You can collect dry soap nuts fallen from a Rita tree or buy them from your local store, or they are even available online these days. You need to soak 10 to 12 soap nuts in bioenzyme overnight. To wash your clothes, just put soaked soap nuts in a sock the next day, tie its mouth and put this sock along with your laundry inside your washing machine. You can also add the remaining liquid in the detergent dispenser if you like.